Hi guys, welcome back to Spotlight with me, Kalalelo Traile. Let's dive into this week's stories. First up, Big Brother Mzansi star Sweet Guluva is mourning the loss of a family member. The reality TV star's team took to social media, expressing his heartbreak and grief over the passing of his sister. They thanked his fans for their support and love. Moving on to the world of music, DJ Maphorisa is not holding back after being snubbed at the Metro FM Music Awards. Despite multiple nominations, the Biri Marung hitmaker didn't walk away with any awards this year, and he's questioning the credibility of the ceremony. Up next, Uthando Nes'thembu Musa Mseleku is under fire from cultural experts who claim his show misrepresents traditional Zulu polygamy. According to them, the portrayal of the polygamy on the show doesn't fully capture its depth. And lastly, Abdul Ko is stepping away from acting after a stellar 14-year career. Known for his roles in Isibaya and The Wife, Abdul shared a heartfelt message with fans, expressing gratitude and explaining that no actor controls their character's fate. He also posted one of his final auditions to encourage aspiring actors. And that's all we have for this week. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. See you next week.